What is it? What is it now?
Woman beats me.
Wait. You said one. Who beat you?
One nonsense man. He's on that road that we used to pass and go to church.
Hey! One man had the effort to beat my wife. You didn't tell him that I'm a that military officer. Come and show me the man. Come and show me the man.
Okay.
Come and show me.
Him, yes. He's the one.
He's the one that beat you. You said he's him.
Yes, he's the one.
He's the one that beat you.
He's this guy. See him here, this one.
Oga, you beat my wife.
Yes.
He's the one that beat you.
He's the one.
You beat my wife, Oga.
He beat me and he said he's going to beat you.
You will beat me. Oga, you don't know me. Oh. I'm a retired military officer. So you beat my wife. You know how much I use paper and paper.
Finish him.
You know how much. Don't worry, I'll deal with him. So you have the infantry, the guts to beat my wife. Deal with you.
So if I leave you, you go beat me.
I will beat you.
You go beat me.
Beat you today, oh. Anybody want to call him. I will show you who I am. Do you know how much I used to pay a bride price? That will make sure that me and my wife that we will beat you.
You and who?
I said we'll make sure that me and my wife was there now.
Yeah.
Why are you running?
Yeah.
I never expected.
Sorry. Sorry, yeah.
Hey.
Sorry.
Hey!
Sorry, just let it.
Hey, Chineke.
I told you not to fight. Everything is not fight. Between Gaga. I know, I'm still fighting. Fight is not good. Everything is not fight. I brought you there instead of you to talk things out with him. You want to go and fight him. Look at the man.
Why are you not the one that told me that somebody beat you? You don't mean that you fight.
Did I tell you to fight? Did I tell you to fight back? I just brought you there. You went to go and fight him. Sorry. Bring your face. Sorry.
Hey!
Sorry.
Why did you do that?
I ran because I saw what was about to happen. So I went to go and boil hot water and wait for it.
Jesus is Lord.
Like this. That reminds me, baby. Abunku said he's going to beat me. Oh.
At beginning.
Abunku said he will beat your wife.
Right here, man. Shit.
Where are you going to? You don't come and fight for your wife. Nah.
Fight for what?
Why are you running?
Oya, come, let me put the hot water.
Use the other time yourself.
Come now.
I'm done.